Alright everybody, welcome back to a somewhat shorter Frontier, Michigan video. But I just want to talk about a small upgrade that I did on the WolfBox G900 Pro. And that would be the OEM mount. I don't know how the camera's going to pick that up, but the OE mount. That way I don't have to use the straps. It's on there much tighter. And if need be, I could actually use this thing as a mirror. So right now, I have the screen on. So you're looking out the rear camera. But if I were to turn it off, you can see that it is reflective, though it's not as reflective as, say, an actual mirror. It is reflective enough that I could use it if, say, the camera goes down, the screen goes down. If something happens to it, I can still use and see out the rear. Because it does have a reflective surface. Though, think of it like a rear mirror with some slight, with a dark tint on it. You know, so, yeah. It's much more solid. It doesn't shake nearly as much as it did before. And, it's just overall a better setup without the silicone straps. Because, honestly, the WolfBox itself has a bit of weight, which was causing the OEM mirror to tilt downward and move, which is more shaky. Now I've noticed with the OE mount, it does still have some shake, but it is significantly less than before. And it actually stays where I put it. So anyway, I got some people coming here to fish, so I'm gonna get out of their way, let them get to their day, and I'm gonna go about my day. So stay safe out there, stay warm and dry if it's raining. And I'll catch you next time here in Frontier, Michigan.